DX land? How about a DX land? You copy this 612? 612 on the west coast of Canada. Waving. How about a DX land? How about a DX land? 612 out here in the southern Gulf Islands off the west coast of Canada. We're waving. Hey, good to hear you in there, Iceman. Hey, 612, waving back at you, buddy. West Coast skip shooter out here on the west coast of Canada. Sounding good there, man. Blowing smoke, Iceman. 612, waving. Take care, Iceman. I was good to talk with you in there. We'll listen for you again. This be 612 out here, West Coast skip shooter, Southern Gulf Islands. Standing by.